Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you,
Afternoon,
ma'am?
sir.
Sir? Yes, sir, Mayank.
How are you? Today we
I'm
had
good, sir.
today we lost our one more lesson.
Yes, sir.
We'll talk about it also a little bit.
So this 2020 is going very crazy, very bad.
Good afternoon, Akhilesh sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, hi Gaurav. I can totally hear you.
Uninstall and reinstall again.
Sir, Naveen sir is also with us, so we can start the class.
We'll start the class in brief. Just few moments here.
Okay.
What we need to do is I find that most of you are speaking for the motion, and none of you are taking the motion against. None of you are crossing your partner like not majorly. So please try to do that as well. Okay, try to stand out in the crowd. We'll start with MFM today. MFM group will go first. So first 5 students for MFM randomly we will take.
So I have made the group Akhilesh sir.
All right, then we can just dictate the names and accordingly they will start the discussion.
Okay, so first group is Pranav, Sanchita, Hridya, Avinash, and Sanya. Pranav, Sanchita, Hridya, Avinash, and Sanya. Pranav is not there.
Should we replace him with some other student?
Okay. We can replace Pranav with Shalini.
All right, Shalin, you are in this group now. All right, so we'll be sharing today's GD topics. Again, it is a module 3 topic, which is you have the topic given to you, and accordingly you'll have to talk on this matter. Okay. Again, as I said, try to be try to talk on both terms. All right. I'll be sharing the screen right now. Please just go through it. Okay. This is the first topic. Khadi movement was one of the most rigorous movement of Indian independence movement. Has it lost its touch with Indian mass in 2020? Discuss. All right. So you have 3 minutes starting now. We're starting at 1:05. We'll close the screen at 1:08. So let us start sharing the screen now. Naveen sir,
Shalini,
I would like you to just repeat the name of the students who would be discussing this discussion right now.
Shalini, Sanjita, Hridaya, Avinash, and Sanya.
All right. So please start the discussion right away.
Yeah, good afternoon, everyone. Today, I'd like to share my views about this topic regarding Khadi view. Yeah, it is implemented by Mahatma Gandhi ji to boycott the foreign products and all. I hope so in 2020 also, it is being followed by some of the people, mainly like women's, like because there are many Khadi saris and all. I think this tradition is being followed by women, but at the same time I can tell you that most of the people are not following, because many people are habited to foreign culture and all the dresses. Not most, many of people are habited. I can tell you that few people are following and few people are not following this. It is
Yeah, Avinash, I like your point, and I would like to add further that khadi production has increased in India by which was seen in 2000 to 2014. Right now, many designers they opting for khadi saris, and they are including the khadi garment in their production. Even if because of this sustainable development, many of the hand woven hand woven artisans are getting
yes, Ridya. Yes, Ridya.
yes,
I
they are
exactly
being
agree. I
the
exactly
products are
agree with your
coming to
point.
them.
Yeah,
Further,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, let me
Yeah,
complete.
yeah, exactly
Further,
agree with your point. What you're saying is absolutely true, but it is not up to full extent, because yeah, the khadi products have been developed, it is increasing day by day, but it's only like few population. Many of, even example like youth, us, we are like youngsters, even we are using some different culture dress, and we are not encouraging the khadi, right? So we
it
can
is
say that only few
But I
people are
don't
using.
completely
take your
agree with
point
you.
Yes,
that
I would agree with
I will
Avinash
complete this
because
off,
not
but
all the youth
the
has been following this, like using the khadi. Then it has been used by in the middle-aged people. Like I would like to say that someone of our parents' age are been using khadi. Like we are not actually exposed to that. We are all exposed to all this which are like too fashionable, too trendy, or those type of clothes that we need to get back to our roots. Like
But I don't
khadi was
complete
been
completely
your
khadi
point, but
movement was
I would
brought to
get
India
my
because
point is
we were
that
we were importing we were
Halloween,
exporting the raw material to the England, and we were importing the uh, the clothes which were too expensive. That is why Gandhi brought this movement. Just we ourselves could produce the clothes, and we
Exactly,
could do it
but
with
exactly,
the
I would
exactly.
low
like to
cost.
contribute that
So
many
Yeah,
it
new
is
exactly.
designers
It's a
who have
good
just
point,
started out,
and
they
I would
have
like to
opted
add
for
one
the
more
khadi
point to all.
movement. I really like to add, let me complete this point, that many of the designers who have just
Yeah.
graduated, they are completing, they're designing based on the khadi designs. They are partnering up with various artisans, and overall, because of this coronavirus, the import and export industry is going to is going to be hit little bit, and that's why a new methods of textile production will be opted by
Yeah,
India.
Ridya.
I feel
Yeah,
that
I
even the
agree
students
with
are
yeah,
trying
Ridya.
for the
Exactly,
development,
exactly.
let me
What you're
complete
saying
the
is
point.
true.
New
it
ways
needs
of sustainable
actually
But
development will
it's
be
not up
opted,
to
and
like
I feel the
extent.
khadi movement will be
see.
successful in the coming years,
Yeah,
as
Ridya,
it
can
will
you
be
please
more about
give a
coming to
moment
the
to
roots.
talk for me?
That is
Yeah, Ridya, I'll completely agree. As you said that most of the designers are using this concept, they are developing all these products. But you know, in our population, only few percentage people are using this. Even we are talking about this topic, but even we are not using this type of clothes and all,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
So
I would
that
like to
only
say
few,
that
only few are there.
as
I
we
would
come
like
to
to
within
say
know,
India
then
versus
comes
the
to social
ocean
Fab
media,
India,
region.
as
which
we
is
all
an
the
Fab
users of
India, which
social
is a
media,
brand which
and
produces
and
mostly
the
the
generation
khadi
who are
products, but
acknowledging
the cost
sustainable
of the
development.
all the
As
clothings
a
are very high.
person, as a individual,
They
also
were
we
not
all
being.
will come to the point where we will use khadi product more, as it will be mostly available and economically feasible product in the coming futures, more compared to what we are getting from outside, as this will
Yeah,
be in
yeah,
India,
I
and
would
yeah,
like
yeah.
to add a
so
point
many
that
products
uh,
Yeah,
nowadays.
Ridya, it is
there are
I
there are
really
yeah, Ridya,
support
it
the
is
brands
khadi
which
economy
movement.
use the
feasible.
khadi as which use khadi, but then the products with the clothings which they are uh, showing to the customers is like it is too costly, where everyone could not afford. There has to be low cost, so everyone get an okay, and knowledge, like we have to use our own khadi products. Like I would feel that there is like I would like to say Fab India, which is one of the brand which uses khadi as its main this one, but then the products which they sell is too costly, where we can't afford it. That is why people go to the
Yeah.
other
Yes.
products which are like
Yes.
low
And
cost.
But I don't feel
yes.
that Fab
Yes.
India, Fab
I would
India
like
is a
to add
brand.
one
That's
more
why
point
it
to
has
all
such
of you.
costly
It is actually
dresses.
because
But
I've
if
been
I see
personally
Yeah.
khadi production,
experienced this.
Yeah,
it is
Ridya.
something which
Yeah,
is from the base.
Ridya, let me
People
complete.
know about the
I
khadi
had one
production,
more
and
interesting point to
we
say
do
you
have
all.
many artisans who are jobless, who are actually not in the production cycle, who are actually right now
Actually, Ridya,
don't have
the
the
topic is
jobs,
diverting to the
and due
jobless
to
and
these
all.
companies. So if we,
Yeah.
so I feel that more and more people are going to be, rather than being a globalized industry, the Indian textile industry is going to more be dependent on the Indian khadi workers. And obviously, the if we are using more and more of khadi, if we ourselves use more and more khadi, the production, the rate of khadi will obviously
Guys,
slide
end of
down, and we have
discussion. Time
many
up.
workers. Yeah, thank
Time up. Okay, quick feedback. Avinash, today you are horrible. You are not speaking. If you agree on everyone's point, then you don't have content. First, you said very less people use khadi, and then when Hridaya is saying many people are using, you are agreeing on her point also. So you don't have
Yes, sir.
concept. And when yesterday I said learn from Avinash how to enter in group discussion, it doesn't mean you are begging to enter. This is not good.
Yes, sir.
Hridaya,
you. Yes, sir.
your listening skills is poor. You are just speaking, you are not listening. It means you have to let others also speak. Your concept was really good. Your content was good. You had good knowledge about this topic, but you were not able to listen to others. You were just speaking. Sanjita was also in the group. You should have given her a chance to speak. What does she feel? Shalini, you were off the topic. So topic was related to Khadi in 2020. You are going
Yes, sir.
away from the topic.
Okay.
So don't go away from the topic. So I didn't hear what Sanchita told. 2-3 times she tried to enter in the discussion, but I was not able to hear. So I won't say anything on that. Hridaya, your content is really good. From next discussion onwards, try to listen what others are speaking and then try to counter on that.
Okay.
Okay. Next group, please.
Okay, I'll share my feedback on this discussion. So yeah, as said by Naveen sir, most of you lack listening skills. Most of you in today's discussion just want to speak your points. So again, it's not about speaking like just about your point. Three things have to be balanced. One is speaking your content, what you know. Second is listening to what other people are saying, and third thing is balancing. Try to bring out your leadership quality over there. All right. Most of you just wanted to just speak up, speak up, but it's very important that you let others also speak. Okay. And listening skills, again, most of you lack listening skills. You do not listen to what other people have to say. Some of you are contradicting your own points just because you wanted to say more. Again, as I said earlier, the quantity of what you speak, it does not matter as much as the quality of what you speak. You speak less, no problem, but you speak to the point. You speak less, you speak properly. Don't exaggerate on just one point. Okay. We'll move on to the next discussion. So I suppose that sir, can you just disclose the name of the students participating in this discussion?
Yeah, so next group we have Pranav, Shivangi, Nisha, Nikita, and Shreyosi.
I suppose that covers everyone for today's discussion.
Is there anyone left? MFM?
We can also include Nitu's name in this.
Niti is for MDes.
I suppose we do not have many students here today. 18 participants.
Then there will be less students in MDes. So let it be 5
How many
and
students
5.
do you have for MDes today here?
5.
All right.
Five
Then we'll go with the
students.
second discussion.
Yeah.
Second discussion. So, as could you please repeat the name, sir?
Pranav, Shivangi, Nisha, Nikita, and Shreyosi.
All right. So these students will be part of the second discussion. I'll share the topic for today. Your discussion.
How do millennials see the world today? And is it good for the time to come?
Just requesting here the non-participant put their call on mute. All right, guys. So the time is up. So we'll start the discussion.
I would like to say that the millennials are in a different junction today with the generation gap, and today they are in a place where everything is technology based, where everything is in one touch. They are getting their requirements. If you look at the aspects of job aspect, they are in a kind of a dead end or a low benefit kind of aspect of when it comes to jobs. because they are not still sure if the job placements are going to be available in the next 1.5 years, looking at the current situation. So the time which is going to come for the millennials, for this generation, is going to be still little hardworking. It is going to be little confusing, and there could be some, debts. There could be some wealth actions. There could be some issues where they could be, in a dead end, not understanding what to do.
Pranav, I would like to stop you for 1 minute. Hridaya, can you mute yourself? Hridaya, if you are listening, please mute yourself.
Gaurav sir, can we just mute Vidya from the host side?
Yeah,
Thank you.
please start.
And Pranav, please be a little louder.
And
Yeah, you can hear now.
your time starts now. Discussion starts now.
So millennials are, as I was saying, they are in a vulnerable situation. They are in a low benefit situation. They are more dependent on technology. They are more vulnerable to the technology which is going on to the world right now, on the aspects of one touch basis, where they can get anything, whatever they want in the one touch basis, where previous generations didn't have that. And today, if you see, when it comes to the situation currently which is going on in the world, the millennials are in a confusion or a low benefit stage where they are not sure of their job aspects, universities, going abroad to study, going abroad to work, or getting back to India from abroad. So all these aspects are very much into the thinking of the millennials on this situation, that what is going to come in the next 6 to 12 months. Uh, Coming into the how the life is right now spent is a very different ways where the other generation spent it previously. It was low on money, low on technology. They used to do whatever was possible from whatever they had. But right now, if you see, there's a lot of investment which is going into many aspects where where the generation is, exploring all those activities and sharing those thoughts onto the years to come. So I would like if others can share their points too.
Yes, Pranav. You were right, but also there are many positive points also, as in this government, as our Modi sir was doing many things for us, and they launched many plans, and he is offering many yojana and facilities to our to us also, in the form of scholarship, and also providing startup plans. And I think as we are
Yeah,
say,
I do agree with.
yeah,
Yes, I do agree with your point that government is doing their bit when it comes
yeah,
to scholarship, when it comes to youth empowerment, when it comes to getting them, based activities. So there are
yeah,
many activities rolled out by the government, but it is just, the end thing is when it comes to the benefit, when the youngster is achieved by that. So today government might be saying many things, but when the person, a youngster, is achieved by that, then it's beneficial act of that government's uh, youth or any empowerment center.
yeah, of course. I think now today world is in a very good position, as now we have lot of opportunities as were before. And yeah, it's totally up to us that how we can get that. And now I would like Shivangi to say something, or any other, so that they can share their opinion.
So I think right now millennials see the world as they are very ambitious and challenging. Seeing the current situation, once the situation get over, I think they will come up with new ideas, and they are the most creative ones that they can change the future of our country.
Yes, yes, Nikita, can you share your opinion?
I just shared. I like Shivangi to give her opinion on it.
So I
Okay.
would like to add one more point to this discussion is that even I feel yes, millennials should be required some financial help also from the government, which would help them to arise from the upcoming situations which are going on right now in school.
Yeah, but now
So
you
we
are
should,
right, and government is doing so. Government is providing education loan and many facilities so that, and also there are many students who are doing very good, and without any fee, they are completing their education and achieving success. And now, yeah, that's
and also I will put on that point saying that some kind of training should be also done, and I
yeah,
think that's a key
I agree.
area where the youth needs to be educated is only through training. So on job training or any other kind of training should be provided
We
on
can.
day-to-day basis so that they are ready for the world.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. In some case, yeah, we can see many youth are also lacking awareness, and yeah, there are some points
Okay,
like that.
guys, time up. Nikita, can you please mute? In last class also I told you you have to see everything, network connection, noise. You have to take care of everything. Okay, Shivangi and Shreyasi, can you please unmute and tell why didn't you participate? Shivangi and Shreyasi.
I suppose Shivangi is not with us right now. Shreyashi,
Shreyasi.
so she might also be unavailable. We can move on to the remarks with Pranav, Likita,
Okay,
Nikita, and
Nisha.
Nisha.
Okay, Pranav has good content. He talked about current situation, upcoming challenges in 6 to 12 months, life current now, and how it will be study abroad, all those things. Nisha was lacking content. Every time if you are asking others to participate, it means you are lacking content. You have to tell only once. If they are not participating in the discussion, you have to continue the discussion. Also,
Okay, sir.
Nisha and Nikita both have same problem, lacking content. So you need to work on this.
Pranav had content, but I think there is a need to for voice modulation and to boost his voice, like you need to be a little louder. It
Yes.
should show your confidence, like when you're saying you have content, but there's uh, it
No,
shows lack of confidence.
I think it
So
could be due to
like you're
the
thinking and
earphones. I think
I think you're thinking and then like saying simultaneously. So that is something you may need to improve upon. Shivangi is back with us. Shivangi, can you just elaborate on why you could not participate in this discussion?
Hello.
Okay, so her
Sir,
network
the
went off. She just stepped it.
network went off.
Okay, so yeah, please be ready with these things. As I said, try to have a backup phone as well. All right.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Due to lack of time, we'll move on to the next group immediately. Naveen sir.
Yes. Arijit, Mayank, Shreya, and Nitu and Sapna.
All right. So I'll be sharing the topic for the third discussion here now. India is ready for luxury retail stores like Gucci, Armani, etc. Give your opinion. All right, sir. So we shall start discussion now.
But I think we won't be able to complete, so we should rejoin the same link.
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
Gaurav, sir, can we do that?
Yes, sir, we can.
All right. So we will all leave for a
Yeah,
just
tell me.
immediately we'll just rejoin the same link. Okay.
20 and 21. Okay, okay. For June 2020. So you cleared the first run.
Gaurav, sir.